guys, my name is Santosh Chauhan. Today I am going to discuss about event abbreviation of Microsoft. So without any further delay, let's get started friends. So first of all, open the computer and click the right button of mouse and click on this option open with code friends. Friends, present time you will be watching on your interface in your screen. This is the interface of the Visual Studio Code friends. So now we have to biggest your screen according to your necessity and we will make one folder. First of all, we will select overall data in my screen in this folder and we will delete. Friends, we will make one folder d.html friend, and after this we will press the enter button. Friends, now we will type in this folder relate to exclamation mark, relate to symbol, as you can understand friends, and after this we will press the enter button. Friend, this is the boilerplate, this is the template, as you can understand. This is the emit abbreviation of Microsoft. Friends, let's get started. Overall, we will understand overall function of boilerplate or emit abbreviation of Microsoft. So without waste time, friends, first statement what say, this is the HTML5 document according to browser. We are telling of the browser, this is the HTML5 document because we are telling of the browser, and this symbol is known as angular bracket friends. B rates in mathematics, what B rates in mathematics is greater than, is less than, so is less than or is greater than. At here this symbol is known as angular bracket. Friends, what is second statement? What says second statements? This is the opening HTML tag friends. This is the opening HTML tag friends, and lang equal to with string en. This word is known as attributes. This is the, now we will understand friends, this is the opening head. Now we will understand friends, apart from this option is known as code holding. This option is known as code holding, and this option is known as, apart from this friends, collapse, expand, collapse, expand, collapse, expand. Friends, there are the two names is known as to this option. Already I have told you, collapse, expand and code holding. Now we will understand, this is the opening tag, this is the opening head, and this is the closing head friends. In opening and closing head there are the three meta tag used it mostly. What is the meta tag we will understand now friends. Meta tag is information about information, that is called meta tag. According to meta tag, we can add your external link in JavaScript, of JavaScript and cascading style sheet. We can add external link, and we can add external link, JavaScript and cascading style sheets in meta tag. Friends, now we will understand what is the title tag. We can add name of your websites. We can add name of your website in the place of the document, that is called meta tag. It is used to mostly in title tag. Friends, now we will understand what is the what is the meta tag completely understands, because I will not understand completely because this is the broad topic. This topic is the SEO, and which name is search engine optimization technology. It is the used to enoughly Internet Explorer to this topic, to this process, to this function, as you can understand friends. Present time I am telling you about meta tag complete information, a little information, complete because I will not understand completely because this topic is very broad. This topic is advanced part of the HTML, hence I cannot recommend. I cannot forward to this topic. Friends, it is the used to mostly. Meta tag is the, it is the used to. Meta tag is, it is the used to enoughly. We can add external link and JavaScript in meta tag. And what is the title tag? Already I have told you friends. What is the SEO? A little information I have told you friends. What is the SEO? SEO is the search engine optimization technology. It is the used to for ranking of the Google. It is the used to. in the websites for ranking of the Google. So this is the concept of the meta tag, title tag. And now we will understand, friends, this is the closing head, friends. Now we will understand what is the opening body and what is the closing body. So in body we can add enough data related to websites in body. It is the used to mostly in body tag. This is the HTML opening tag. This is the HTML closing tag, friends. And already I have told you, friends, what is the body. We can add enough content related to websites. It is the used to mostly. For example, I am taking, friends, click the H option in keyboards, H alphabet, as you can understand, and click on this plugin. For example, I am telling you, I am writing right here, friends. How are you, friends? How are you, friends? And now we will, after this, we will press the enter button. We will type paragraph tag and click on this plugin, friends. We will type some content related to paragraphs. For example, I miss you, I adore you. So this is the concept of the paragraph and this is the concept of the heading, friends. Now we will understand. Now we will open to overall code in the live server, as you can understand, friends. Just तुम समझ सकते हो. At present time I am telling you, friends. For 2 minutes, suppose that you want to watch to overall code in live server. So click the right button of mouse and click on this option, open with live server. So friends, you will be watching. This is the heading. This is the paragraph. According to live server, friends, and already I have told you, friends, this is the live server code 127.0.0 and so on. It is like this, and so this is the concept of the heading and paragraph, friends. Present time, in that time, what had typed in boilerplate. So present time you will be watching from here to code. This is the heading, this is the paragraphs. So that's all about this. Thank you. I will see you next time, friends.